feet have trod, with its crystal tide forever flowing by the throne of God. Yes, we'll gather at the river, the beautiful river. Gather with the saints at the river that flows by the throne of God. On the margin of the river, washing up its silver spray, we will walk and worship ever all the happy golden day. Yes, we'll gather at the river, the beautiful river. Gather with the saints at the river that flows by the throne of God.
Here we reach the shining river, lay we every burden down. Grace our spirits will deliver and provide a robe and crown.
Yes, we'll gather at the river, the beautiful river. Gather with the saints at the river that flows by the throne of God. Soon we'll reach the shining river, soon our pilgrimage will cease, soon our...
Yes, first time! 94 registration. Ha? Thank you. Wow, ganda. Okay. Okay. So, titignan natin yung ancient writings ng mga nasiunang Filipino. Shh, huwag kayo maingay. Shh. Taga saan kayo? Saan? Saan yun? Saan yun?
Barracks! Doon po sa may Hampton po.
Ah, ano sinakyan nyo? Naglakad lang kayo?
Init
Grabe.
ka po eh. 25. Mountain. Marami nga ito. Inikot-ikot sa akin. Aray ko po, saan ito tayo? Papuntang heaven ba? Papuntang heaven. Alam mo sila nung kayo na ito? Si James Abay. Ay po to. Uy, tulog ka.
Kayo mag-register nito, ako na nagbigay doon ah.
Di ba, may nikay? Ito ko lagi.
Ano?
Tapos na.
Ay, ano na tayo sa Lulia. Tara, sulat tayo dito. Sulat. May mga nakasulat dito.
Meron na dyan?
Ay, no.
Hindi naman yan eh.
Tek, matigas yun. Tek, gumagano yan.
Rat? Stone? Then, 2 minutes pa lang tayo naglalakad. Ikaw naman. Yeah, Uncle Joseph.
Ano ko muna rin magpahayong.
Dali, tapos mo yung pahayong. Grabe yung dito eh. Ratang danom. Tamang kitang pilan minutes. Okay. Bundok. Okay. So, nasa 2 minutes na kami. Yan. Ayan na, malapit na. Ibay na mga bata, oh.
Ito the best yan.
Hindi. Joseph. Sa Bakyarugu.
Kakabag niya sa luwa niya. Your registration.
Sige, sige. Diretso. Oh, payong, payong. Payong.
Walang tubig.
Okay.
Bubot ka. Bubot.
Oldest known work party in the Philippines. It is
Drawing ng tao.
Okay, right here. Whew. Ayan sila, oh. Diyan. May akit tayo dyan. So, ilan minutes lang pala. Yung akit. Nagre-registration dun si Raquel. Yeah, actually, napanood ko to. Pangarap ko to, pero well, sinabay na para makapunta dito. May nagpipiknik din dito. Free lang dito, guys. Again, hindi na naman matatakaw mga tao dito. The best yung government, hindi gaya sa Angeles. Laligit sa Pinatubo, matatakaw na pera. Para lang makapunta sa Pinatubo, 5,000 pesos. Noon sa amin, pumunta kami ng Natividad, 40 pesos na. Imagine, tatakaw. Okay, off ko muna, mamaya pakita ko. Na kami doon yung mga writing song. So, ito, pumasok kami sa museum. Ayan. Ayan. CR. CR po ito? Ay, sorry. Vacant, ano eh. Ito pala doon. Ayun, comfort room. Okay, akyat na tayo. Doon yung resting area kanina. Galang kami doon sa entrance. Okay. Kitsa ba to? Mama, pakian. Yan. Yan sila. Ito. Wala na. Yan lang. Amoy ihi pa. So, ito. Tapos binandalize pa nila. That's it. Oh. Ito siya. Actually, hindi ko marirecommend. Pero, pwede na, nature walk. Lalas.
Happy hearts will quiver with the melody of peace. Yes, we'll will gather at the river, the beautiful river. Gather with the saints at the river that flows by the throne of God. Yes, we'll gather at the river, the beautiful.
Yung curiosity satisfied. Ganun lang siya. Pero blessing ito kasi dito ako tumali. So, kaya ko pa ng full day. So, yeah. Nag-iwan ako ng remembrance dito. Malinis naman yung scene. Kaya lang. Palabas na kami. Punta ng Pilya Windmills. Yan lang. Tapos uwi na. O, sakto. Bago gabi at kakauwi na. Hindi pa antok. May golf course ito, oh. Pang mayaman. Hala. Ngapit na kami sa cave. Ayan.
So hot.
So hot. Ito yung cave kanina. Kanya jatang ID tang tao?
Alam mo, meron mo itong ID ko.
Ah,
Isa lang.
kunan niya kanya na.
Na, ulit. Sabi na, itang tao kayo ni, mag-present kayong ID ha, na kaya pang registration.
Ah, may presenta kayong ID. Yan eh, kingwa. Okay. Good.
Sabi na ng tao.
Cave. Ayan, oh. Ayan. So, ayan lang.
Gather with the saints at the river that flows by the throne of God.
That flows by the throne of God.
Okay, nandito na tayo sa Windscape. Si Mango G sa Rizal, Antipolo. Ayan siya. Ah, ito yung Windscape. Pero wala tayong payong. So nga. First step para hindi may ito siya. Ay, sorry. Okay. 1 hour of travel is where we're at. Okay nila. Wow. Yan sila. So, curiosity satisfied, 1 and 2. But let's go up. Let's see a 360 view. Ooh! Init! Woo! Mainit lang pero kita mo yung Sierra Madre Mountains. Laguna Lake. Laguna. Ayan. Ayan, Laguna. Muli na kanina.
All the way my Savior leads me. What have I to ask beside? Can I doubt His tender mercy, who through life has been my guide? Heavenly peace, divinest comfort, here by faith in Him to dwell. For I know whatever.
Ayan, so ito may 250 parking. Libre na mga tao. Meron free doon. Hindi ko alam saan yun. Isa lang daw makikita. Dito kasi makita mo yung lahat ng windmill. Tapos yung dito. Laguna de Bay. Ganda siguro dito paggabi. Yun ang Laguna. Ito. Laguna de Bay. So that's it. Going home. Curiosity satisfied. So, yung Brown Joey. Yun si Manu G.
befall me, Jesus doeth all things well. For I know whate'er befall me, Jesus doeth all things well. All the way my Savior leads me, cheers each winding path I tread, gives me grace for every trial, feeds me with the living bread. Though my weary steps may falter, and my soul athirst may be, gushing from the rock before me, lo, a spring of joy I see. Gushing from the rock before me, lo, a spring of joy I see. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He makes me to lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside still waters. He restores my soul.
Hi guys, can you hear the sound? You know, nakakagyan. Oh. So big. Okay, are you enjoying? Yes. It's a video.
He leads me in paths of righteousness for His name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for You are with me. Your rod and Your staff, they comfort me. You prepare a table before me in the presence of my enemies. You anoint my head with oil.
Ayan ma'am, at 100.
Punta ako dun.
My cup runs over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. All the way my Savior leads me, oh, the fullness of His love. Perfect rest to me is promised in my Father's house above. When I wake to life immortal, wing my flight to realms of day. This my song through endless ages, Jesus led me all the way. This my song through endless ages, Jesus led me all the way.
Okay, final stop. Meron pa palang final stop. Ito. Nabit nila kaya yung Guinness Book of World Record. Wait. Okay, this is our final stop. Yeah. So, this is it. Triple trip.